Hi guys, today we visited the Brooklyn Botanic Garden here in New York City. We just wanted a calm day, something different from the usual busy streets. And honestly, this place felt perfect for that. We didn't really plan anything, we just came here to walk around and relax together. When we walked in, the first thing we noticed was how quiet it was. Like, I didn't feel like New York anymore. Even Natalie said something like, "Are we still in the city?" We just started walking without any plans. Sometimes we went left, sometimes right, just following wherever looking interesting. And I think that's the best way to explore a place like this. At some point we checked a sign and learned that the garden opened in 1910, so it's actually more than 100 years old, which is kind of crazy. And the idea was to create a peaceful green space for people in the city, and honestly it still works. Even today people come here just to slow down a bit, which is exactly what we were doing. While we were walking, we kept stopping to look at random things, like small flowers, trees, or just colors. In spring, this place is famous for cherry blossoms. We were not exactly at peak bloom, but still everything looked really beautiful. At some point during the walk, we saw this Japanese garden area, and honestly, it felt very different from the rest of the garden. Everything looked very calm and balanced. There was water, small bridges, stones, and everything felt like it was placed very carefully. Nothing looked random, even though it felt very natural. We didn't really rush there, just walked slowly, looking around and kind of enjoying the quiet. I think this was one of those moments where you don't really talk much, you just take it in. Natalie was of course taking more photos and I was just looking around trying not to be in that shot. But yeah, this part felt really peaceful. So we just keep walking, no map, no plan, just exploring. At some point we actually got a little lost, but in a good way, because every path looked nice anyway. We saw people sitting on the benches, relaxing, reading, and we kind of did the same, just took our time. Honestly, it felt like a small escape from the city. Later we found out the garden is about 50 acres, so it's actually pretty big. That's explained why we didn't see everything. There are greenhouses, a rose garden and many other areas. So yeah, you can easily spend a few hours here without even noticing. Alright guys, that was our day at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Nothing crazy, just a simple, peaceful walk. If you're in New York and want to relax a bit, we definitely recommend this place. Hope you enjoyed this walk with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!